Welcome. In today's video, we're taking a look at the steps you need to follow to remove someone from your close friends list on Instagram using the PC app, especially after the latest update. Instagram's close friends feature is a great way to share private stories with a select group, but sometimes you might want to change who's on that list. Whether you're updating your privacy settings or simply tidying up your circles, the process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, head over to the search bar at the top. Type the name or username of the account you want to remove from your close friends. Click on the correct profile from the search results to open their account page. Now look for the following button, which you'll find next to their profile picture and username. Click on Following to open a drop-down menu of options. From here, select Close Friends. Instagram will display a list of accounts you've marked as close friends, and if the account you're viewing is on that list, you'll notice the toggle is active or the box is checked. To remove this person from your close friends, simply click the toggle so it turns off, or uncheck the box next to their name. That's it. This person will no longer see your close friends' stories or any content you share exclusively with that group. There's no notification sent when you remove someone from close friends, so you can update your list discreetly. Remember, you can repeat these steps for anyone else you'd like to remove. If you ever want to check or adjust your close friends list again, just follow this same process. Keeping control over who sees your stories is an important part of managing your Instagram privacy. Thanks for watching. For more simple guides and the latest Instagram updates, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other tutorials.